Hello friends! Welcome to Riotouch. How to use the UFreeze feature on the whiteboard. First, open the password settings. We can customize the lock screen password for easy memorization and use. Ensure the security and privacy of the whiteboard. After confirming the lock screen password, slide open the shortcut window on the right and find the UFreeze software. One-click lock screen. This is the lock screen effect. Alternatively, we can try setting a dynamic password using your phone. Try scanning the QR code with your phone and entering the previously set password. You will see that a new lock screen password is generated. Enter it to unlock the whiteboard. Also, we can enable the lock screen function in the floating window. Opening the settings, we can see that there are many settings about the lock screen interface. We can preset the lock screen time and choose according to your needs. This can be used to monitor students' efficiency in completing their homework. This is a quiet lock screen wallpaper that can be used to effectively connect with the course progress. This is a 10-minute timer wallpaper after class. It can accurately remind students of class, start, and end times. You can also use this lock screen wallpaper to complete homework assignments or plan your study schedule for the day. Like this, choose different subjects and design the number of pages for study or preview so that students can understand more clearly. Finally, customize your lock screen wallpaper to create your own personalized lock screen effect. For example, the knowledge summary and key contents of the class can be edited according to the needs of students and teachers. Okay, that's all about UFreeze's lock screen. The next one is about Cloud Lock Screen. How to use the Computer DM's cloud platform to operate the whiteboard lock screen. First, open Settings and find the panel's MAC address. Connect the cloud and whiteboard. This is our Cloud DM's operating system. We can log into our account using a computer. After matching and linking the whiteboard, like this, click Lock. Our whiteboard automatically locks remotely. Clicking Unlock also remotely unlocks it. Well friends, this is the complete introduction of our whiteboard UFreeze. Goodbye. I hope it helps you.